Hi team. So today in this video we are going to learn about prototype in JavaScript. So by the definition, prototype is basically an object that has methods and properties that gets attached to your object. So let's see this definition by some examples. Okay. For suppose let's take an array. Okay. As you know that in JavaScript, array is also an object. So suppose if we have an array, okay, and when we try to print this array, see when you type dot, you will get all these methods, okay, to this array. So nowhere you have declared defined all these methods, right? But how you are getting access to this all these methods is by using the prototype. Okay, I will show you. Okay, where are we getting all these methods? Okay, now we are trying to print this output. Okay, uh, suppose if we go to, yeah, so yeah, this is the output. So let I will show you the structure of the prototype now. See, when you try to print the array, if you maximize this array, you will see one prototype object. So this is the object. Okay. But if we compare with definition, prototype is basically an object that has methods and properties. Okay. So here this prototype is an object. This has these methods, all these methods and as a properties. Okay. And it is attached to your object. Okay, as array is also an object in JavaScript, so this is attached to your object. So this is the like one example of the prototype. Okay, so and we can also, by using the prototype, we can inherit one properties of object into another properties. Okay, so by definition, let's try to write definition first. So by using prototype, we can inherit features to one object from another object. Okay. So let's see this by an example. Suppose we have one object called animal. Okay. Okay. An animal can eat. Okay. Which is true. An animal can also walk. Okay. This is a function. Yeah. Let's try to print something in this function. Like, yeah, this animal can walk. Okay. And let's take another object. Let's declare another object, which is like tiger. Okay. Tiger can roar. True. Okay. For suppose if we want to use this walk method for this object, for this tiger also, we can achieve this by using the prototype. How? Okay. So if we assign this animal object to this tiger prototype, then we can able to access all these properties by using the tiger. Okay, let's see that. Okay, if you tiger dot proto equal to animal. Okay, now we can access tiger dot walk. Okay, let's try to see the output. See, this animal can walk. Okay. Here in this tiger object, we don't have walk method. But how it is able to access by using the prototype. Okay. Let me show you the structure of the prototype of tiger object. Okay. then you will get a clear picture how it is going to access. Okay, how it is accessing the walk method. So I will try to print the prototype of animal. Okay, and I will try to print the prototype of tiger. Okay, so you will get a clear picture. Animal prototype, tiger prototype. Okay. Hmm. See, this is the animal prototype. You can see here, eat and walk is there, and inside and for this object, like object prototype is attached. Okay, which is attached by the JavaScript. Okay, that is the prototype default behavior. And if you see tiger prototype, so for normal object, what is the level one prototype? Direct object prototype. But for tiger object, we have its properties. Canroar is belongs to tiger properties. And if you see level one is the animal prototype. You got my point, right? Animal prototype is the level one of tiger properties, and which follows by the prototype object. Okay, now when you try to access tiger.walk, okay, it will search for walk, it will search for walk in its in its like object, in its current object. Okay, if we don't find it, it will try to its prototype object. So as it finds the walk object inside its prototype, then it is able to access walk. So for suppose, if we declare, like suppose if we add walk method for tiger itself directly. Okay, because tiger can walk. So now let's check what happened. See, now tiger can walk is printed, not the animal can walk, because the walk method is directly there inside this tiger object. Not it is okay. So first it will search for inside its object. As it finds the walk function here, directly it will call this walk function. Okay. So this is some brief about the prototype. Hope you got some idea about the prototype. So whenever like a question is asked, what is the prototype in JavaScript, you can mention this definition, like prototype is basically an object that has methods and properties and gets attached to object. And this concept is also called the prototypical inheritance. Prototype inheritance, because we can able to inherit the properties and methods of one object inside other object, right? So this concept is called the inheritance. Okay, so in the next video we are going to see the how prototype is used in the object constructor functions. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys.